The cryptocurrency industry has no shortage of meme currencies and dog-themed assets. Combine those two elements and you get Doge Elon Mars, a cryptocurrency borrowing some elements from Dogecoin and the hype Elon Musk generates for it. Elon has had a solid price performance in recent days, and that momentum may not come to an end just yet. If you want to know more about this, then I suggest you keep on watching.
This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description.
Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Elon Musk's price prediction. The year 2021 has been crazy for all types of crypto projects, especially for meme coins. In 2021, the birth of SafeMoon and the huge growth of Dogecoin, two completely different crypto projects that changed the way people view cryptocurrencies. These cryptocurrency projects bragged about being community-driven, claiming that their main goal is to be directed by the community and make them happy. After Dogecoin blew up, people became more and more interested in meme coins. Additionally, another meme coin inspired by Dogecoin blew up around that time. This token is Shiba Inu. Lately, Shiba Inu has even surpassed Dogecoin regarding market capitalization, entering the top 10 biggest cryptocurrencies list. These occurrences gave birth to thousands of meme coins such as Floki Inu, SafeMars, and Doge Elon Mars. They all used similar tokenomics, but their communities differed. Being started from scratch, these projects had enormous potential, and most of them made early investors millionaires overnight. Before we talk about Doge Elon, make sure to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell right now, or else you'll be listed as the only person to be thrown away to Mars. Moving on, the backstory of Doge Elon Mars can be read at one's leisure, although it makes for a fun read. The central aspect people care about is tokenomics. Doge Elon's supply, similar to Shiba Inu's, was cut in half by sending 50% to Vitalik Buterin. Doge Elon Mars is a joke token that was created on the Ethereum blockchain in April this year amid the popularity of Dogecoin. Doge, the token, were issued through the DEX initial offering IDO. The initial maximum supply of Doge Elon Mars is 1 quadrillion tokens. The project's official website says that Doge Elon is a fair universal currency for the people. It is not a meme currency like Doge or Shiba. This is a real project that will constantly be evolving, that begins with undoing the damage done by crypto scammers, schemers, and bad actors. The remaining half is locked permanently in liquidity on Uniswap. That means users will generate no tokens at this time, and the circulating supply is the maximum of what one can obtain. It is a simple solution, yet one can do wonders for speculators and early investors. However, it remains unclear if Elon will gain any utility through DeFi or other initiatives moving forward. Thanks to that solid price performance, Elon is now up by over 3,300% in the past 30 days. The bullish momentum seemingly relented a bit, although there are still many people looking to buy. Doge Elon has also surpassed the $1 billion market cap, which is rather impressive. Doge Elon Mars was recently listed on LA Token. A recent post and Twitter account of LA Token said Elon is now available on hashtag LA Token. At Doge Elon Mars runs on the Ethereum network and is named after Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Dollar Elon is also dubbed as the October winner for soaring nearly 4,000% in October 2021. LA Token is an international cryptocurrency exchange and IEO platform with over 1.3 million users across the world. LA Token, a leading crypto exchange, makes trading and payments easy and safe worldwide. LA Token brings trading and banking to blockchain technology to automate transaction processing and save billions of work hours per year. A single year after its initial launch, LA Token got over 850,000 downloads on Google Play and over 1.5 million followers on socials. Entrepreneurs looking for funding can consider the LA Token IEO Launchpad. There are 240 plus digital assets available for traders with the option to connect using RESTful or WebSocket APIs on the LA Token platform. In addition, LA Token is planning to launch its own NFT marketplace. For currencies such as Doge Elon Mars, achieving a fair and broad distribution is essential. That may prove difficult when the available supply is locked on Uniswap, although it appears the number of holders increases. Over 90,000 unique addresses hold a fraction of an Elon or a higher amount. That is remarkable, as there were only 80,000 holders in October. Even though it is a bit tricky to acquire Elon, the currency's trading volume is more than acceptable. Over $735 million worth of Doge Elon Mars changes hands every day. The current progress is impressive for a currency that is up by over 10,000% from its all-time low 6 months ago. Whether it can achieve figures similar to Shiba Inu remains unclear, but anything is possible in crypto. According to CoinMarketCap, Doge Elon Mars had a price of $0.00000078 when it first entered the market in April 2021. Only 5 days after, this token reached a trading volume of $0.00000041, increasing by more than 5,000% in less than a week. Its price dropped to $0.000002 shortly after, which resulted in Doge Elon Mars building a support zone around the price at $0.00000015. During the second week of May, Doge Elon Mars experienced extreme growth, reaching its current all-time high of $0.000022. This left early investors with 29,900% returns. After hitting $0.000022, Doge Elon Mars dipped quite a lot and dwelled around a trading value of $0.00000085 for months. By the end of September, Doge Elon Mars began an unexpected uptrend, reaching the price of $0.00000015 on the 7th of October 2021. The token experienced an X6 in just 2 weeks, trading at $0.00000068 per token on the 20th of October 2021. Today, Doge Elon Mars is trading at $0.000014 with a trading volume of $316 million. They have a market capitalization of $716 million and a circulating supply of 553,600 billion Elon. Will Binance list Doge Elon Mars? Although they have such a high number of listed projects, they are still very picky when it comes to listing new cryptocurrencies. Several big projects have failed to get listed on Binance despite their clear vision and solid background. What makes this process even harder is that Binance does not provide a fixed set of requirements. This makes this process confusing for applying projects. For Binance to list Doge Elon Mars, an Elon and BUSB or Elon and BNB pool should be raised to provide enough liquidity. Additionally, Binance should be regularly informed about the Doge Elon Mars project and its achievements. Binance may list Doge Elon Mars since it is the biggest meme coin after Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. However, more should be done regarding the utility of Doge Elon Mars. Also, as its market capitalization grows, the chances of Binance listing the token also grow. Can it hit higher before the end of the year? According to CoinDataFlow, a website that uses mathematical algorithms to predict the future of cryptocurrencies, Doge Elon might have a positive run in the short and long term. Their forecast states that Doge Elon Mars may hit $0.000049 by the end of the year if this token has 100% of Bitcoin's previous average growth per year, considering that Bitcoin experienced huge percentage growth only during the first 7 years in the market. This might be easy for Doge Elon Mars. We have seen cryptocurrencies and tokens do 100 times in a span of 1 week, so a 10 times is possible for Doge Elon Mars. What will 2022 hold for Doge Elon? The year 2021 was a blast for this token. If we take a look at its market performance during that year, we can see that a growth bigger than 30,000% was experienced. The growth the token experienced during the fourth quarter of 2021 indicated that the altcoin season was starting following the growth of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Doge Elon Mars is likely to trade at a price above $0.00089 during January and February 2022. However, our forecast shows Doge Elon Mars experiencing a dip during March, potentially leaving Doge Elon Mars dwelling at a price of $0.000023. Doge Elon Mars is likely to recover by the end of the year, possibly closing the year 2022 with a trading value of $0.000036. When we compare it to its current price, this means that Doge Elon Mars may experience a yearly increase of more than 1,700%. Is it the right time to invest in Dogelon Mars? In theory, the more cryptocurrency exchanges Elon lists, the better the coin's liquidity and the faster the community will grow. It's no secret that fringe coins rely on social media buzz to drive engagement and attract new investors. The problem with Dogelon and so many other coins is that their ambitious mission statements tend to be fluffy. Dogelon's information section describes it as the first interplanetary currency and a project that undertakes to send tokens over time to victims of scams. A rug or rug pull is an event in which developers of a cryptocurrency abandon their project and run away with investors' money. So what are your thoughts about Dogelon Mars? Will it be listed to many other cryptocurrency exchange platforms in the future? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below.
If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.